What up, peeps? This is Dan here with Drywall Solutions, and I would like to wish everybody a happy new year. Here in 2024, I'm going to try to put out one video every week. I started my channel. I had a few extra videos, so I was putting out 2 every week. Come around September, work got really busy, and it was a little hard to drag around a camera while you're trying to get stuff done. Plus, the few videos that I did try to make, I forgot to hit the record button. When you're not used to dragging a camera around with you, videoing you and stuff like that, it's a little hard to think about it, especially when I'm in go mode and want to get stuff done so I can get on to the next job. But anyway, I would like to wish everyone a happy new year, and look forward to more subscribers here in 2024. And I appreciate y'all very much. And if y'all have anything that you are, that you would like to see, any particular videos or anything like that, just leave them in the comments. And but anyway, y'all have a happy new year, and we'll holler at you later.